There is this comfort that can only comes when you sleep and wake up from your house. Your house, I don't mean the one you pay rent, but the one you own. So, Oga Tony, Oga Emeka, you see that water plot, eh? Go and buy it like that. So don't wait until you have money for 2 plot, 3 plot. I know we love to have a big compound, but to avoid landlord wahala, because you cannot be suffering high cost of living in this Tinubu regime, and you will also be facing landlord trouble. So buy yourself that quarter land and start building. A good house starts from a good architecture and a good engineer that can turn the drawing into a magnificent modern house. Look at this water plot. You have your sitting space, you have your dining of seats, everything is even spacious, nothing is too tight and all that. You have your kitchen, you have your visitors toilet, or it can just still be a family